Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can get Google Doc right here on this computer. Instead of sometimes you go bring up internet browser in order for you to get the Google Doc, you just want it directly on your desktop. But how can you get it on your desktop? Right? Right, I'm going to take you through this simple and easy step. You're going to come all the way here. If you notice right here, see the 9 look at that, you're going to click. You're going to scroll. You're going to look for the Google Doc right over here. You're going to take a time and scroll. Alright, so this is the Google Docs. You're going to click on it. Notice when you click on Google Docs now, it actually open it up right here. Right, but in order to get it on the desktop, we're going to come all the way up here. So notice right here, say you look at that, you're going to click on that. Now bring up this little window here. You're going to come down all the way to where it says more tools, and you come across. You notice right here, it says create shortcut. Now you want to click on that. When it's a create shortcut, right? If you notice right here, it's open as window. So you want to tick in this little box right here, and then press create. Alright, now as soon as you press create, you can close out all of this. You can close this. Right here, you can minimize this just like that. And if you notice right here, this itself is Google Doc. Right here on the desktop. Simple and easy. Right here on the desktop. So hope you have learned something from this.